Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am taking you on a journey to visit one of the most beautiful waterfalls in Ashanti region, that is in Yankumesu Waterfalls. As I promised, you know I can't do this alone, so I drove to Nyankumesu, which is near Adanse Asokwa, to pick up my brother Kweku Falls for this journey.
Come to Nyankumesu Waterfalls. Nyankumesu Waterfalls is a socio-eco tourism development situated at Nyankumesu, which is within the Adanse Asokwa district of the Ashanti region. We are located not too far from Obuasi, maybe some 10 to 15 minutes drive from Obuasi. So when you get to Nyankumesu Waterfalls, what you are confronted with is the beautiful natural landscape. We are within the Kumu Forest Reserve, which is one of the oldest forest reserves in Ashanti region. Chemicals. People come here to have healing, they come here to have a quiet time, and they come here to also distress. So with that in mind, we have put in place other side attractions where you can have one of the rarest zip lines in the southern part of Ghana. Ready? 5, let's go. Which is the longest actually, over 100-meter canopy zip line. This is a major attraction for the southern part of Ghana, and we are proud to have it here at the Nyankumesu Waterfalls. We also have the eco pond where you could actually heal in a very natural bath, and you would have to just experience it to know what I'm talking about. So these are some of the visible attractions that you will see at Nyankumesu Waterfalls. Now, given all that background, the platform is set for other ancillary businesses. You come to Nyankumesu to also get business ideas and to take home things that could spike your business mind. Currently, we are partnering anybody who is interested to come and be with us to package water. The water is the best in these times that all the good sources of water in Ghana has been contaminated. Nyankumesu Waterfalls presents you a pristine water edifice that the body would need to heal. And we are inviting everybody or anybody who would like to come with us, to come share with us the water packaging business. We are also taking advantage of the water which is running throughout the year to set up fish farms. That is also going to be a good thing because protein sources for human beings can address some of the sustainable development goals on hunger and poverty. In that same vein, we will have snail farming in the forest reserve. We will also have already beehives also in the forest reserve. We are even introducing other friendly animals that people can see when they come to Nyankumesu Waterfalls. So these packages that I'm telling you, they are business units on their own that can be shared with any of our clients who come to Nyankumesu Waterfalls for an expedition. In recent times, we've started one of the best black soaps you can ever get in the West African here. It's FDA approved and it's already being exported to the developed countries. So it's by trademark Luxport. Luxport offers you one of the best bathing experiences that you would like to also encounter. So these are the few business opportunities that we have here that we should expose to our visitors when they come for a social ecotourism experience. Good. So that's okay. So this is the last spot we are talking about. It's being produced here in Nyankumesu. It utilizes the pristine waterfalls in its make, and the fragrance is just irresistible. It comes in different packages, and if you are interested in joining this business, you are welcome. Nyankumesu Waterfalls has been birthed based on providing very good entertainment for all class of people. When you come to Nyankumesu, we have very talented artists like Fox. His team, and they have very niche entertainment packages. We have music that we play, we have live band sounds bites, and we can have freestyle, that's karaoke, right? So in your bid to relax in Nyankumesu Waterfalls, you will be able to be entertained with all the forms of music and artistry. So It is a ground that allows over 5,000 people to occupy. It's a big place, and we can host all manner of events that can happen here. I remember some years back, we had some of the Kumu artists come here, and it was just mega. So your potential is there for us to blast and give the Adansi stroke Ashanti enclave a lot of very, very special entertainment. And that's why you have to find time and visit Nyankume's Waterfall, because you get tourism, you get business, you get entertainment, and then you really also heal yourself. So this is how Nyankume's Waterfalls is popping up in the area to become a leader. As part of the business model development, Nyankume's Waterfalls allows a wide range of organizations and groups to converge here. So far, we have had visits from banking institutions. They come here to run workshops in the woods, and also at the same time find time to relax and distress their workers. We have churches. They come here to have a good worship time and quiet times. We have Keep Fit clubs who come here early in the mornings to come and experience the morning dew that descends from the mountain. On top of that, we have the youth who are interested in blending nature and entertainment together, and they all are welcome here. Almost every other week, you have students from all the schools all over from Ashanti region coming here to also experience the waterfalls, plus all the things that we've talked about the environment. So Nyankume's Waterfalls attracts all shades of people, and we encourage you to come over and experience what we do here as a business. So we have packages for all class of people. With the food, we have very good and seasoned caterers who prepares food for our guests. You can actually call and just order the kind of food you want to eat, be it local or continental. Okay, with the locals, we have fufu, akrantie, and green, everything that you want to have here. Even if you want to do body apesi on some plantain leaves and all that, we can make it ready before you get here, and it's fresh and cool. It's a palm wine zone, so we already always have fresh palm wine for our guests to trickle their appetites. So come and enjoy all these cuisines that we provide here, plus rabbit kebabs and any other meat of your choice. So it's food, entertainment, and tourism. What kind of drink would you like? We have very chilled drinks. Any drink you would like. Come from the clubs, the beers, and you go to the spirits. And so when you come to Nyankumasu, you just don't want to go. You want to stay here. Very soon, we will be putting up our overnight facilities where people can come here and they can spend the night over. We have tree houses that we have to showcase, like the one you are seeing, and we will have very, very simple apartments, affordable for people to come and have their night events over here. Thanks. As you know, we have power to the place, we have water, we have washrooms. We have washrooms, and we have all the amenities that would guarantee your stay.